Greetings. Today we discuss the Amazon Business Canva model with our students. So in this topic, we discuss the um, project goals, key activities, customer segment, value proposition analysis, revenue, and conclusion. Okay. Thank you.
This slide is about business Canva model about the company Amazon. This project goal is to make customizer lives better and easier every day by relentlessly inventing behalf, planning, executing, overseeing projects to ensure business goals and deadlines. Provides a digital platform to manage task timelines, collaborations, project outcomes. The key activities are to development, design optimization, and management supply, then logistic, scarce and build partnership chains.
Hi, I'm Ritisha, and today we are going to talk about the business Canva from Amazon. So the customers, the product, the company which gives to the customers is anyone with internet connection who is booking for convenience of e-commerce and fast delivery will be getting an advantage from our company. So our company has a very competitive pricing and it has a very fast delivery with selection of great goods, and also it is very convenient for the customers to use from our products. So in this company, we analyze the strength, weakness, and opportunity and threats from the customers. And the key importance for this company is for communication, collaboration, creativity, cooperation. This and all are the very important for a company to run. And also, we have a very strict and multi-stage digital check warehouses which keeps the product safe. So a revenue is very important for a company, and the revenue for Amazon is Amazon Prime subscriptions. There are few commissions and also the transaction fees from the Amazon which you do it in a regular basis. And also we have online platforms of Amazon where you can watch many OTTs. We have different types of OTTs in the Amazon, and we also have the technological infrastructures where so many customers, employees are working from this company, and you have different types of OTTs in Amazon Prime, whereas you get. Okay, so a revenue is very important for the company, and Amazon provides different types of revenues streams here. The first stream we can see is Amazon Prime subscription. Well, everyone know about the Amazon Prime. It is worldwide very famous. And also we have few commissions and transaction fees which you do from the Amazon app. And also we have online different platforms and technological infrastructures where different types of employees are employed in the company. So we can see different types of programs in the Amazon Prime, and most of the people enjoy watching it.
Amazon model. Hi, I'm Jani. This is conclusion. Amazon's business model is highly successful, customer-centric ecosystem derived by the fly. Hi, I'm Jani. This is conclusion. Amazon business model is a highly successfully customer-centric ecosystem derived by the flywheels effects, which links low prices, vast sections, and supervisor conventions, trying to drive high value by leveraging massive infrastructures, AI-driven personalization, and renew data satisfactions like AWS. Amazon maintains its marketing leadership for prioritizing long-term growth and customer loyalty over immediate high-margin profits. That's all. Thank you.